Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. Well, we have an unboxing and trial test for you guys, review. This says on the box it's a premium laser toner cartridge, yet it says BRD630, which means drum unit in my world. However, it still says it's a toner cartridge, so we're going to see what's actually in the box. This is from V4link, and they're actually the same company that sent me that Bluetooth, I don't even know what you call it, the headset that puts the sound in through your bone conduction headset. Anyways, they sent me that, they sent me some other stuff. So I've got this to check out, and my exact printer actually isn't listed other than I have the MFC 2720 DW, and this goes MFC 2700 DW slash 2740 DW. So it could be like it covers from the minimum right up to that, and we're going to find out, that's for sure. So let's get this out of the box and see exactly what it is we do have here. And get that on the ground. Now, if this is a drum unit only, that would be bonus, because I don't know how old the drum unit is in the printer. We got the printer from my father before he moved, so it's kind of like, well, you never know. Oh, and yes, it is a drum unit. So that means, guys, we are doing a double unboxing, because I also have received in the mail the Tn660 cartridge, which is what our printer uses. And this says BRD630. So let me open up the printer. And our drum unit is a DR630. So this is actually a whole drum unit. That's cool. So we shall remove that whole unit. Now, I've got toner cartridges, like, I'll be good for the next 20 years, I think, now, with the amount of cartridges I have right now. So let's open this up. So this one also, again, V4link, came from the same company. Now, I'm carefully cutting this because after we do our testing to see how well this works, I'm going to be putting all this stuff back in the boxes and sealing them airtight, because I still have a virtually new brother cartridge in here, and this drum unit is still good. So I want to use that up first. But we need to find out what these third-party things are like. So supposed to give it a little bit of a shake thing kind of deal, and we just pop this right in like so. That's it. And into the printer. Okay. Please wait. Now, I'm sorry I didn't give you guys a massive close-up on the printer, but it's pretty straightforward. Okay, that says it's ready to rock. And let's hit print. Wow, there you go. First shot, perfect print. Love it. Wow, that is really nice. You know what? We're going to see what kind of condition our drum is actually in. So we just lift the lid open, slide this unit out. Now to get this back out of here, by the way, we just push down on the little spring tab here, like so. And then I'm going to take this, and I believe this goes like so. There, clean, protected, ready to go. All that, good enough. So we'll just put this back in here. That's all protected. Put our unit in. This is a good test too to actually see the condition of our actual drum unit. Ready to go. And print. So these are available on Amazon. You can get them there. I love the fact that these third-party cartridges are very inexpensive, and same with having a compatible drum that's the same. That is great. That's a huge savings. Like our Brother cartridge that's sitting in there cost us like $100, right? And it's like, that's a lot of money. But anyways, okay, so in comparison, well, it looks like our drum unit is still in great shape. I don't see any problems at all. So this is the one I just printed. Now that's off of our drum unit and our cartridge. And this is the third-party compatible system from V4link. So this is the V4link paper. And this is all Brother original parts here on the right. And they both look exactly identical. So that's good. So we know our drum unit is still in fantastic condition. But I would like to thank the company for sending me these things. It is awesome. I was kind of like, well, we know the part number for our cartridge is a Tn660. There are other cartridges, by the way, that you can get for the Brother printers that use normally a Tn660. There are other cartridges with much higher capacity printing. These, if I remember correctly, are about 2,500 sheets. There's one that can do even more. Now the drum unit, I checked this out online, which is how I kind of suspected this was probably just a drum unit, even though it says toner cartridge. But the drum unit is good for, I think it was 120,000 sheets. And we're nowhere near that, I don't think, on that drum unit that was originally with the printer from my dad. So we're good for quite a while. So that won't be an issue at all. But I'll have to tape that after. But yeah, definitely take a look at the links below to purchase these things. They are fantastic. I think you can't go wrong. I mean, even for having compatible parts that are third party, they're the exact same part really, just a different company making them and for less money, you know. And obviously we've seen the printing quality is exceptional, so I don't see any difficulties there. Now you guys know I cannot actually say 5 out of 5. I can't actually justify that ever in anything, but we can easily justify an easy 4 3/4 out of 5. I think that's fair enough, because nothing is perfect, so it's not a big mark on anything anyways. But you know, if there were other issues, of course we would drop the rating lower, but I think 4 3/4 out of 5 is definitely more than fair. Cost effective wise, these third-party cartridges, we have other ones that were sent to us from other companies. Like I said, we have enough cartridges now to do us for a long time. But even they work fantastic. You know, they really do. We've tested them as well. I've videos on my channel on that. My wife has videos because the same company sent us the same twin packs. And so anyways, definitely great though. So thanks again to the company that sent these for me for checking out. I definitely would, I don't know how you put it, the word endorse or promote or endorse. Yeah, I guess endorse would be the right word. Definitely go ahead and get yourself. If you need a drum unit, that's going to save you a lot of money over the original Brother, because chick-ching baby. And same with those Brother cartridges. Like, same printing capacity is like massive amounts more for the Brother ones. Back in the days of refilling ink tanks, as we know, that had a lot of problematic things, but we don't get those problems when we're using an actual third-party cartridge usually for an inkjet. It was when we were refilling them which was the problem. Toner cartridges can be refilled, but nowadays, I mean, when you're buying third-party, it's a lot cheaper to just buy a whole new one than to even bother going through the hassle of getting a toner cartridge refilled. So it's very cost-effective, you know, and it's definitely a lot less hassle. And the drum unit, like I said, if I remember right, and if I read the numbers right, it was about 120,000 sheets out of the drum unit. That's a lot of sheets, man. Like, a lot. Because you get a big bundle thick of 500 sheets for about $5 Canadian. So, you know, do the math. That's a lot from one drum. And, anyways, so, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, check out the links below. This ended up becoming a dual video only because it turns out this is actually a drum unit, which is confirmed. And I got this one in the mail, and it's like, okay, so we're going to have a joining here. Anyways, thanks again. If you're not subbed, you know, click that button, smash the bell for notifications from the channel. Stay tuned for a lot more videos. Have no idea what's happening next. Who knows? It's a guessing game every day lately. But we'll definitely catch you on the next one. See ya.